Hi. Show your feet. We have the same shoes. Same shoes. Ay, you smell like poop.
Guys.
Guys. Guys, look at my baby.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have poop?
Juice.
Bruh.
Neighbor. Oh. Neighbor? Yes.
Show your feet.
Neighbor.
We're
Oh.
going to swim. Hi. Hey, Grandma.
What happened?
How are you?
Grandma.
You're not Grandma?
Yeah.
Joey.
Okay, I'll go there. What time is it? Morning. Hey, Grandma. You good?
Paano to hindi siya nagsasaki?
Oh, where are we going to sit? Zoe, wait. Oh, picture. Sit down, Zoe. Go, sit down. Are you ready? Say hi. Sakit sa ulo. Zoe! Zoe! Are you ready? Bye! Ah! Oh my God! You okay? Oh my God! Scream! Zoe! Scream! Rescue! Policeman! We're coming! We're coming!
Mami. Zoe. Zoe.
We're done. We'll get more toys. What will you say to mommy and daddy? Thank you. Tayo, go get one.
No. Yours.
Ay, sorry.
Mine.
Okay.
Chair.
You don't wanna share? Thank you. Ah, kailangan ikaw mag-share.
Yeah.
Okay. How about me? I will share it with you. Star.
Mine.
You already have?
Yeah.
Okay, cheers. Whoa. Cool. Can I see? No, it's in the back. Here, oh, sa back.
Last. Here.
Wait, wait.
Here.
Wait lang, sis.
Here.
Here. Back. Thank you.
Papa. Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you. So we come here.
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 And, oh.
What's that then? Run? Yeah, that's yellow, but this word is yellow. Yellow.
I'll go outside na. Oh, where you gonna ano? Okay. Okay. Then both of us? Okay.
Light on.
Not working. Ay, sobra init. Kaya nag-ano na lang kami. Hindi na kami pwede maglakad. Pwede naman kaso grabe yung init. Di kaya.
So tired.
Yeah, okay. Very good. Okay. Bigat bag mo? No, it's not bigat.
No. Orange. Peter.
Which one?
Orange. Peter.
Go, go! Bilis, bilis! This is what we look like. Come here. Kapag naglakad kami. Hmm? Work day. What's that? It's color pink. Oh. Oh. Oh, last one.
Me.
SDPU. Okay. Thank you. We're home. So, that's our summary. From Monday to Thursday, pupunta siya kay teacher. Friday, nagkataon lang na dinala ko siya sa office. Pero, last week, Friday, kay teacher din siya. Bali, Monday to Friday, kay teacher siya. Tapos Saturday, Sunday, ibang vlog na lang siya. So, kasi pag Saturday nag-church kami, and then Sunday naman may pasok na ako. So, that's all. Bye-bye! See you in our next vlog!